Morning. Look where we are. Look what's happening. Hi. Candy the Canadian Stamper. You see behind me here. Got all the boxes. Lance and I, my bestie, are on our way to Richmond to do some packing of Oma, and then we're gonna stay the night in Vancouver and finish up tomorrow and bring her home. Oma is moving from Richmond to Qualicum, so it's very exciting. So I'm on the boat. I'm on the ferry. I'm just gonna flip it around again. Not that you all don't know what the ferry looks like, but here we are. We're ferrying. So on the go crafting. This showed up last night. I was thinking to myself, gosh, what am I going to do? We're taking a 9 o'clock boat, and Lance is going to be my camera guy. Thanks, Lance. You're the best. And then this paper pumpkin, Lance said, there's a paper pumpkin outside, and I thought, meant to be. Look at you with the lights and everything, like a great camera guy. Okay, let's see what's in here. Do you guys have the paper pumpkin? Are you rolling with this? I don't actually know what's in it. I was cruising Facebook before this, and it's not really working. I got a bit of a sneak peek. So, this one's called So Much Pun, P-U-N. Early espresso ink, stamp pad. Let's see what's in here. Lots of pun paper pumpkin. Here it is, right here. That's what it looks like. Good work on the light. That's good. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this open, and I'm gonna make maybe one card with you. I didn't bring my scissors with me. This might actually take me a minute to get. I don't know. I can't open it. Here. Stop laughing at me, Lance. Usually I have my scissors with me, but I didn't totally think this through. Aha! Okay. So we were lucky that the ferry didn't get canceled. I was a bit concerned about that. Alright, let's see what's in here. So there's our project, and then there's all the contents of our project and instructions. So it's really kind of cute. It's got hello, peel better soon with a banana. Good. I kind of thought we were going to be going upstairs on the ferry, but COVID, so we're staying in the car. Okay, so you've got some pre-printed envelopes. Hi, Nancy. Pre-printed, This one's like a soft blue, a yellow, and like a light brown. And then, of course, our pre-done card bases is here. And could you tilt the camera down, Lance? A little bit further. I know you can see it. Keep going. Okay, thank you. Vellum. I think I'm just gonna pick one of these to do. It looks like it's separating out, so this is the other card base. Soon you're going to hear the ferry announcements for safety. Safety first. Maybe if my friend Dawn from Arizona is going to watch this, then you'll see what it's like to be on the ferry. And then there's this card front too. And last of the embellishments are these pieces. So these are all ready to roll. I like this color palette. It's working for me. Okay, so let's set up a little station here. Lance, do you want to make a card? Getting hard now. So this is the for next month. It's Hugs and Kisses for Valentine's Day. Okay. So I do talk about the fact that paper pumpkin and crafting can be done on the go, and here I am on the go crafting. So I think I'm gonna make this sorry, I'm sorry, that's the pits. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Cramping up over here.
Oh. Okay, so we need the green base. What's everybody up to today? Anybody else on the ferry? So I'm going to use the you don't think they're on the ferry. I'm going to use the box as my little table. So I've got my card base.
Card or canyon? Is this what you want?
Yeah, that's pretty good. And I need the cherries. Just gonna get one of the cherries. So I'm officially on holidays as well, which is awesome. Holidays for 2 whole weeks. I'm just finding all of the different layers here. Aha. So this one I'm going to pop out, and this is going to be for the front of the card. Yeah, we were thinking that perhaps the ferry might get canceled. Oh, yeah, literally on the go, Wendy. Not even kidding. Something today. I'm starting the first kit after. Love it. Kate is a new crafter. Welcome to it. The kits you got are going to be super fun too, by the way. Okay, so I don't think I showed this. This is the little so embellishment, some ribbon, and then this white piece back here are our dimensionals. Okay, so do I have all the things? I think so. I just need the embellishments. So this, I don't know what color this is actually. I should look. It's going to be for our sentiment, and then one last strip, which is one of these, red ones. So what's happening in this kit is that it's actually a fun thing that they do for ideas, which is to put in lots of layers. So the layers are super easy to do on a project, but I feel like it really makes it like it adds some interest to it. Look how thin that is. I'm gonna have to glue that down somehow. All right. Welcome, Kate. Oh, I froze. Hopefully not for long. Okay, so card base, and then based on the instructions, which I have here, this is going to go over top this watermark kind of design that's on there, like this, to sort of frame that up. So this is a piece of designer series paper, and then you can either get a punch or you can cut die. So if you don't have a kit, but you wanted to make this and have some of this kind of paper, and then you can add to it. Then we're going to add our little cherries, and then the little sentiment. So let's get to it. I'm gonna so this is a pretty substantial stamp set that's in this one. I'm gonna show you in there like that. I don't think I've ever had an egg stamp before. What's this one? Oh, it's a little hat. Cherries, and it's got a decent amount of sentiments on here, which is good. Thanks a bunch. Peel better soon.
How many?
How many? I don't know. This many. Maybe 20?
No.
It's even got a piece of toast on it.
Bread.
Or bread. You could put sunglasses on all of the fruit and vegetables. It's got sunglasses. Okay. So Do you hear the horn honking? Can you guys hear the horn honking? There's an alarm going off. I'm sorry. That's the bits. Okay, you can read the. Can you read the comments?
No.
Egg could work for Easter. It sure could. So Lance, when I asked you a few moments ago if you would be the video guy for this, I didn't really think about your arm and how that would go for you. So thanks for being a trooper. Okay, my stamp is mounted, and I've got my early espresso. So on this is an ink spot. So what I do is I run my thumb along just one edge of the spot, and then, okay, again, I use my scissors, truthfully, is what I do. I'm gonna rip this time. But anyways, I want to just have one side exposed. Oh my gosh, I should have brought my scissors.
Got a hammer.
No, we don't. Hammer might be too much. Sorry guys, I didn't bring my scissors. Do not come in the paper pumpkin kit. Got it. Okay, so just one side, so you can do this. So I'm going to ink up my stamp set. I was actually thinking that maybe for your mom's old folks home, Lance, that I could make a couple of cards on the road here to be thank you cards that your mom could give the nurses and stuff that help her.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if there's a thank you on here. Oh yeah, thanks a bunch. That's what I'm doing after this. Okay, this is going to go up here. Okay, so now we're gluing my little kit here. Almost done, Lance. Okay, so I'm going to add dimensionals to the back of our focal piece. What's happening here? There. Found them. Here's what I'm looking for.
You're back.
I'm back. I don't know if I was still recording that whole time. Sorry. Sorry about the fairy. Somebody's still on there. I have found the little sticky dots, and I'm adding it to the back of the sentiment strip that I put together. Never really thought about the connection on the fairy. Maybe you guys can hashtag replay. Okay, so I've got my sentiment strip. It's very fine, and I'm going to add it, but I'm going to go right in the center, actually. And then there's this teeny tiny little piece. Hello, welcome back, everybody. Sorry about that. Connection issues. So this is where I'm at so far. So I've got dimensionals on here. Dimensionals on the cherries, and then I stamped, I'm sorry, that's the pits. Get it? You get it. You're laughing. It's cheesy. And then I'm going to take this really thin, this is too big. So, yeah, sure. Let's just do it. Actually, so I'm going to put this under here.
Can you see that?
I don't know if we can see it. Good camera work. I feel like I should have done this before I committed to the sentiment. So as far as layers go, so see how this is popped up, and then the cherries, and then for the sentiment, hopefully you can see it. We're just, I'm going to tuck this under. Woo! A little too tucked. So see how you can do the layers? Okay, so let me put this on. So the last time I tried to do a live, we were at Bouchard Gardens, and that didn't work out. Now we're on the ferry. Mover and a shaker. You two are awesome. Yeah, Lance is a good sport. Is your arm cramping up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I've got this little guy on here, so I'm going to do a little tuck, and then this one's going to be done. Do you think we can do another card, Lance, or is your arm had enough?
Mm-hmm.
So see how it's just like a super teeny tiny little piece of paper. There we go. And it just adds a little accent. See how cute that is? With the layering. So scraps, little pieces that you can add. And then of course we have our little embellishments. So I'm going to add a few just with the edge of my nail. And then I'm going to show you the card and then we'll be done, Lance. This is super cute. I love it. It's a little different because it's not Christmas, right? Usually we're doing all Christmassy stuff right now. It is super cute. So I like the stamp set. I think it's going to be cute with all the different options. It's a good haul, the stamp set. Okay, that's it. We're done. I'm going to continue on and make thank you cards for the old folks home nurses that were going to collect Judy from Richmond. So that'll be fun, and I'll get my paper pumpkin all done. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and re-tuning in when we lost you. But and thanks to Lance for being an awesome camera guy. Talk to you later, guys. Bye for now.